If you're experiencing issues with Overwatch 2 getting stuck on an update, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches and allow the update to proceed. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing your connection with other online services or games. Step 3. Clear cache. If you're on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console and plugging it for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. For PC, you can clear the battle.net cache by closing the app, navigating to the battle.net folder, and deleting the cache folder. Step 4. Update battle.net client. Make sure your battle.net client is up to date. Open the client, and if there are any available updates, allow them to install before trying to launch Overwatch 2 again. Step 5. Reinstall Overwatch 2. As a last resort, uninstall and then reinstall Overwatch 2. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the update issue and get back to playing Overwatch 2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.